Introducing the QCMF-500 Torque Tester, an accurate and durable testing solution from the Advanced Witness series. Designed to facilitate calibration or verification of torque tools, this low-cost tester combines great accuracy, high quality, and ease of use. With the ability to add data management features, the QCMF-500 is a versatile tool for your assembly needs. The QCMF-500 enables bidirectional measurement for both CW and CCW torque, providing comprehensive testing capabilities. The tester can read torque values in various units, including Oz, in, lb, ft, Newton meters, cnm, kgfcm, gfcm, and kgfm, accommodating a wide range of applications. The QCMF-500 can handle up to 200% overload, ensuring reliable and safe testing even under demanding conditions. With its compact size and lightweight design, this torque tester offers excellent portability and convenience, making it ideal for use in various settings. Invest in the QCMF-500 Torque Tester and experience the perfect blend of affordability, accuracy, and versatility. Its ease of use and wide range of features make it an indispensable tool for calibration and verification tasks in various assembly applications.